an idea for a small business that you plan to implement in order to retire early? Or are you a small to medium-sized business looking to grow your customer base, improve sales, or increase your social media presence? Did you know that digital marketing effectively drives in-person sales, as over 50% of purchases are digitally influenced? Are you aware that 70 to 80% of people will research a company online before making a purchase decision, and that having a one-page website can establish credibility? Hi, my name is Chris Colbert. I am the CEO of Colbert Marketing Group. CMG offers web-page design, TV and radio ads, and social media solutions. Call us today to solve all your advertising needs. What's up, guys? Chris Colbert here, and I'm back with another 5-Minute Friday. So, in today's video, we're talking about Colbert Marketing Group. We're talking about Adrian Slawoski, and we're talking about the fact that there's more than one way to win. So, Adrian says something most founders never hear. There isn't one business model, there are dozens, and each one rewrites the rules. So, when you study profitable companies, you realize very few follow the same trends, the same blueprint. Some make money from subscriptions, some from premium, some from scale, some from simplicity. The winners aren't copying, they're choosing the right model for their strengths. So what's the lesson in this? Profit is a design choice. When you understand your model, you control your destiny. Don't chase trends, build a model that fits your value, then double down. Peace out.